Hello beautiful glam girls, welcome back to another video. So we are in my bedroom, chilling. Today we're having fun, relaxing, hanging out together during this quarantine. I'm gonna be your quarantini queenie. Anyway, so I thought it'd be fun to sit down and just chill. I'm wearing my quarantine outfit at home, throwing some lashes, girl. And we're doing a Q&A video. So I never really do Q&As. I just filmed a really long one with my husband, which will be up soon. It's taking me forever to edit because it's so long. And I don't want to sit back and watch us talk. Maybe I'll just put it up unedited. That would be terrible. Anyway, so I thought it'd be fun to do my own Q&A by myself because this is my channel. Anyway, I'm kidding. So yeah, wearing my cute, comfy quarantine home clothes, and let's do a fun Q&A together. So let's get into it. I asked you guys some questions on Instagram. Let's get into the first question. Favorite full supportive bra. I actually don't wear full supportive bras. They're very uncomfortable. If you could be on any Netflix series, which one would you be on? I think I'd be on Elite. That's definitely my vibe. Spanish Gossip Girl. I went to a Catholic all-girls school, so like we thought we were in Gossip Girl. We were in high school and college when Gossip Girl was on TV, so I was like in the same age group as them. And so yeah, we were in a Catholic school in New York City, so we thought we were Gossip Girl because I'm Latina, so I'd love to be like muy dramática, you know what I'm trying to say, and just be like over the top, like murdering in my schoolgirl uniform. Oh my god, dreams. I wish you could give me a makeover. Aw, I love you. What's a good body exfoliator? I love the Kylie Skin body exfoliator. I've tried a lot of body exfoliators. I've tried coffee scrubs. I've tried little sugar scrubs. I've tried lemon sugar scrubs. I've tried big exfoliators, small exfoliators. I've tried sudsy ones, foamy ones. I've tried the Dermalogica. I've tried the what's the brand? Oh my god, not Soul Body. Soap and Glory. I've tried a lot of body exfoliators, and my favorite hands down is the Kylie Skin, which I actually need to buy a new one, so thank you for reminding me. What beautiful eyes. Well, thank you so much. ¿Has probado el método para cabello rizado? Para cabello rizado. ¿Te gusta usar tu cabello al natural? What's método? I don't know what that is. Okay, so next question is a little bit confusing, so I'm not sure what you're asking, but yes, I do like to wear my hair natural. She asked if I like to wear my hair natural. I do like to wear my hair natural, but it's very hard to keep up with because it's wavy and curly and frizzy. It's long. You know, I'm Latina, so my hair is not naturally straight. So what happens is, like, the first day it'll be really cute, bouncy, curly, adorable. By the second day it is a bird's nest of just tangles, and so when I do try to wear my hair natural, it ends up super tangled. I have to wash it very often. It hurts to untangle it. So with age, I've gotten lazier and just unwilling to deal with it. So I try to just like give myself a quick blowout after I shower, or let my hair air dry and then the next day blow it out or straighten it, because if you guys have curly hair, you know that detangling and all that kind of stuff is a lot of work to deal with, and it can be painful on your head. What dress size are you in the UK? I believe the dress sizes would be 2 sizes bigger, so I'd be like a 24. How can I boost my confidence? So like I told you guys on Instagram, one of the ways that there's a lot of ways to boost your confidence, and I think that one of the ways is to like practice self-love. Make sure that you're always like saying positive things to yourself. Make sure that you are doing what makes you feel your best. I think that there's a lot of ways that you can go about it, and just one of my favorite things to do is think about your, you know, where you've been, where your body's taking you, and be grateful every day for your eyesight, for the fact that you can run, the fact that you can walk, the fact that you can take yourself places. You know, if you've had children, thank your body for those blessings, because not everyone can do it. And so just try to be grateful for what your body has done for you, and I think when you start being more grateful instead of pointing out what you hate about your body, it will start to grow your confidence. Have you ever thought about cutting your hair? If so, what style would you go for? So my hair's always been long. This is probably one of the shorter times. I just cut it recently. Back in 2016, my hair was all the way down to my hips, and if I have a picture, I'll put it here. My hair was super long, and then in 2017 I went to Vegas and I had my hair done, and the girl just completely messed up my hair. She burned it with the curling iron that was like 400 something degrees, to the point that I had to cut off inches of my hair, like inches. I'm talking like half of my hair was gone. So ever since then I've been growing it out. And then for the wedding in 2018, I had my hair bleached a few times for the blonde that I wanted. So ever since then, you know, now you can see it's growing out all that blonde. And my hair has grown a lot since then. All of this is my natural hair. So I've just been trying to keep up with it. So if I were to ever cut it, which I probably won't because I love having long hair, maybe it would be, I don't know, like a short, like layered, like shoulder length layered kind of look or something. I don't know, guys. I can't imagine myself any other way besides long hair. Can you make YouTube videos talking about your earrings and your go-to store? That's so funny because today I actually posted an updated jewelry collection as well as makeup storage, makeup collection video. So I will put that in the cards. So I did do a video about that. And I think a few months ago I did a full jewelry collection video where it was just jewelry and I went through every single piece I own. So I will also put that in the cards for you guys if you want to see a full jewelry collection. It's not as updated as the one that I just posted today, but it has like every single piece shown, if that makes sense. Favorite color is glitter. Someone asked what my favorite color is. Honey, it's glitter. No. So if I had to choose a color, it would be like nude. Like my vibe, you know, nude shades, which everyone's into now, but it's always been my nude, my favorite color. That's why I always have nude nails. It's like my favorite color. It's just, I don't know, it just makes me happy. It's calming, it's chill, it's a vibe. And then I also love like champagne glitter. ¿Qué haces para estar bien hermosa? So girl, makeup. Cute. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? Hopefully with a place that I own, like living in a condo or a house that I own, maybe in another state. Definitely like with my own business that's successful, and yeah, happy. You know, I just want to be happy. Affordable ways to have a beautiful wedding, and where did you buy your wedding dress? So I bought I had 2 wedding dresses. One was custom made for my friend who's a designer, and one I got from David's Bridal, but it was way too big on me because I needed, you know. Hey guys, so I'm back. So obviously you can tell I'm using my ring light now. It's 11 o'clock at night. I had a busy day, so I got like caught up doing a lot of other things while I was filming. So that's why I look a little bit musty and crusty now. I tried to kind of look the same, but you know, it's been hours since I was filming. So yeah. But I remember where I was in my video, so I definitely wanted to come on here and finish. I took a shower already and like just put the same clothes on. That's how committed I am to the continuity of this video, even though, I mean, how dirty do you think I am? Anyway, so yeah, I was talking about my wedding dress because someone asked where I got my wedding dresses. So I know a lot of people don't know, some people don't realize I had 2 dresses. I'm going back to the page where I have all the questions. So I had 2 dresses. I had my ceremony dress that I wore for the ceremony and my pre-wedding photos, my first look, all that, which was like for me my main dress. And I'll put a picture here of that. So that one was like mermaid or like trumpet style, more mermaidy, and I pretty much had it custom made because the dress itself didn't have all of the rhinestones that you see. It didn't have the shape that it had after. I also had it custom to be more like cinched at my waist and my hips, and also a little bit off my shoulder. We had buttons added. I mean, I pretty much took the shell of the dress and made it my own. So in a way it was one of a kind, because if you saw someone else wearing the dress, you wouldn't know it was my dress. I had all the rhinestones added. My veil was custom made by my friend who's a designer, like I said, and then she made my second dress, which was the long sleeve lace one that you guys love all the time. You guys love that dress. So yeah, I had 2 dresses. Holy Grail rose products right now. So I love everything rose. I love rose candles. My favorite candle is the Gardenia Rose by DW Home. I also love the rose from Bath and Body, and then I love the Volupspa rose candle as well. They all smell so delicious. As far as beauty products, I love any like rose toners. I love these Summer Fridays like R&R mask, rose oil, all that kind of stuff. Like anything rose, I love. What's the best highlight to use? Well, it depends, but my favorite is definitely, like, all-time favorite is cream highlighters. But if I had to choose one in particular that I really love, probably like MAC Whisper of Guilt, probably like my favorite highlighter of all time. Who do you feel like is your fashion influence? So I actually don't feel like I have a particular person who's like a fashion influence for me, just because I like multiple types of styles. I guess if I had to choose someone, it would probably be like J-Lo, Mariah Carey, but I also like a little bit more of a classic chic simple vibe. I don't love like over the top glam all the time. I prefer to look a little bit more chic, mature, grown up, just because I feel like it makes you look like a lady and like a boss, you know. So I don't really feel like I have a person in particular who's like my style icon. I just feel like me personally, my style is very unique. Not to like gas myself, but I don't see myself in anyone. I kind of just wear what I like and just make my own style, if that makes sense. My advice to anyone starting a makeup page, starting a YouTube channel, anything like that, if you hear sounds, it's my radiator anyway, is to be consistent, to be yourself, to do what you're passionate about. And like I said, be consistent, be yourself. That's really the best advice. You have to be serious about it. A lot of people think they're gonna do this as like a little side hustle that doesn't take much energy and it's not difficult. It is difficult. It's a whole job. It takes energy. It's a lot more work than you think it is. So, you know, before you commit, just know it is work, and it's not just gonna be like, I'm gonna start and make money. Like, no, that's not really how it works. You have to really work hard at it. And it's not just making the content, it's making content that people want to watch, making content that does well, making content that beats the algorithm. I feel like I haven't really like even mastered that myself. Like the other day I got a comment from someone that was like, how do you have 170,000 subscribers and only like 3,000 views on a video? And I'm just like, maybe because my content is whack. I don't know, guys. I wish I knew the answer. I don't know. I try really hard. I try to be innovative, but at the same time, I can't go with the flow in the sense of following the trends. I have to be true to myself. So those of you who love what I do, you come back for it, and I appreciate that. And that's all I can do, because I'm not like a trendy person. But some people are really good at that. They like doing what everyone else is doing for the trend. They like staying on top of it. I'm the kind of person who wants to do what I want to do, and if I suffer in views, that's fine, because I'm passionate about what I am creating. So really, you have to find your niche, but it does require a certain amount of seriousness and doing it. You know, you have to commit. Can you do a makeup look with clean makeup? I would have to research on the stuff I have that's clean. Color is that on your nails? I'm loving the natural look. My favorite nude color, which is what I'm wearing now, is Samoan Sands from OPI. I'll link it down below. The number one makeup product you cannot live without. I can't live without glitter. You guys see, I'm always wearing glitter. I love glitter eyeshadow, liquid glitter eyeshadow. It's my jam, it's my thing. It's always been my favorite. Ever since I started wearing makeup, I was just always wearing glitter eyeshadow. When I worked at MAC, I used to wear glitter eyeshadow, and I would get in trouble because they'd be like, we don't have glitter in the store, like you can't wear that. So then MAC came out with like these pressed glitters that was similar. So I would just tell everyone that it was those, even though it pretty much was the same glitter in the product, but I was wearing the loose glitter, not the eyeshadow. So I got away with it after that, but I used to get in trouble because I'd wear glitter at work all the time, and this was a long time ago. What are your goals for this year? Definitely to hit like 300,000 on Instagram, which I'm 5K away, so please follow. I would love to hit 300K as well as 200K here on YouTube. And I would like to start you know, my own business that's something that's a little more like my own and not reliant on other people. And I would like to save some money too. Like, I want to start saving seriously for the future. So those are my goals. Can you do another opinion video? Would you ever consider being a therapist? Your voice is so calming. I've gotten a lot of messages like this lately that, oh, you should be a therapist, you should be you should have a podcast, you should be on radio, your voice and blah blah blah. Well guys, I'm a singer, but when I try to sing, nobody gives me any like props, and I'm always like crying to my husband like, no one thinks I can sing. Someone asked, any regrets in life? So I know when people like to say, I don't believe in regrets. I believe in regrets. It's okay to regret something. For me personally, obviously, I don't have like too many regrets. There's nothing that I could say like I truly regret, like that was just like terrible, like I can't believe that happened, I can't believe I did that, I can't believe I did that to someone, or like anything like that. I think that maybe I'm just like anybody else, just wish that if I could go back I would make a different decision. Not so much a regret. You know, I wish that maybe I'd gone to the college that I really wanted to go to instead of going to the college that was cheaper, or just a couple things here and there, but nothing crazy. I don't feel like I've gone through anything so crazy that I caused that I would say was a regret. How did you get into doing makeup? So I've told this story so many times, but basically like just seeing my mom and my grandma was so glamorous growing up, it just kind of rubbed off on me. I loved like hair and makeup and shoes and all that kind of stuff, kind of like, you know, glam girl stuff. And then by the time I was like 13, I started getting into makeup, and my mom would let me play here and there. And then when I was in high school, I really got into makeup around 16, 17. And then I realized, like, I started noticing that this was like the time when YouTube was starting and the internet was kind of really like starting to hit the ground running, you know, YouTube and all this kind of stuff. And I realized like, oh, people are like makeup artists in real life, like I could be that, you know. So then I started getting into doing like photo shoots, like really shitty photo shoots. And then when I was a freshman in college, I started working for Sephora. And then when I was a sophomore, I started working for MAC. And then I was like a freelance makeup artist, and then I was a celebrity makeup artist for a little while. And then 2016 I started working for myself completely and started doing my blogging and stuff like that, even though I had been on YouTube since 2008, like the beginning, and I had been blogging since the same time. But because I was in college and stuff like that, in high school, I didn't pursue it the way I started in 2016 after I had already gotten my degree and everything. So that's kind of my background. So I think that's enough for today. I don't really see anything else. Someone said, how tall are you? I'm size Q. If you have to choose one home decor store, which one will it be? My favorite would be probably Home Goods or Home Sense. But I really love IKEA and Target for home decor as well. What do you do in your spare time? Do you like to read or play games? I like to read, depending on what it is. And like music, I like to organize, I like to clean, I like to decorate, I like to bake, try new recipes. I honestly, in my spare time, most of the time I'm cleaning and organizing. I just love it. I love decor. I love organizing. It's just, for me, it's psychologically relieving my anxiety, because when you have your physical things in order, it kind of helps feel like you're mentally in order. And I know that's what it is for me, so I really enjoy that. Okay guys, I love you. Stay glam. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you got a little more insight into me. Let me know if this was boring, or if you want to see another one. If you want a part 2, leave your question for me in the description. Maybe the next one could be like a get ready with me Q&A. So I love you. Stay glam, and I'll see you next time. And like this video, please. Okay, bye.